Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Ankway Solar Fan, 20 watts, chicken coop fan, solar fan, for greenhouse, 2500 RPM solar exhaust fans kit with 3 fans, IP65 waterproof. Cooling ventilation project for chicken coop, shed, doghouse, RV. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Ankway Solar Fan 20-watt chicken coop fan solar fan. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Why choose Ankway Solar Exhaust Fan? Ankway Solar Exhaust Fans kit equipped with a 20-watt high-efficiency solar panel and 3 high-speed, silent fans. This innovative product is specifically designed for installation in small sheds, doghouses, greenhouses, or similar structures to add air and improve ventilation. Whether you're looking for a solar-powered fan for your greenhouse or a solar ventilation fan for any other purpose, the Ankway Solar Exhaust Fan is an excellent choice. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.